What are you doing?
Okay.
You were recording.
No, I just started.
Okay, good.
Hi.
I'm not sitting.
Where should we?
I'll just kneel.
Okay, sorry. So no, let's put it on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta put on my house slippers. Look at my house shoes.
Oh, girl, you got them house
okay, everyone can see all of my
slippers.
clothes on the floor.
No, we'll put it so. Ooh, that angle. Sorry.
Okay, come on over here.
Come on over.
Oh. Welcome. Okay, that was also weird.
Okay, don't mind our outfit.
Don't mind. Okay, I'm wearing normal things. She's wearing a really cute tank top with huge sweatpants, and it looks weird. Anyways.
I just put this tank top on because I wanted you guys to see my new tank.
Oh.
You like it? Got it for like $10 at Target. That's the reason why I got it. Went to Target today.
Bought this shirt.
Shout out to Target because we love Target.
Holla.
Holla.
Holla. We did that in the last video.
We should
okay, so we actually made a video. We made a video on Sunday night. And never posted it because
it was more like a weird rant.
It was okay.
It was not funny. There was
got
like three parts in it.
Yeah,
we're like, oh wow, we're funny, and then the rest of them.
No, I just got super ranty in it, and then realized that I probably sounded like a jerk.
She probably sounded like a jerk.
So it's probably for the best that we didn't post that bid.
Girl.
Anyways,
so let's talk about what we did today.
Today, I went to work for 4 hours. Lame. And then I came home. Jordan was on the couch. It was like an hour after she had woken up.
Which I woke up at 10:30.
Okay, so it was like an hour and a half after she woke up. And she was on the couch, and then we
watched the movie. What was it called? The Prince and Me?
She was watching The Prince and Me, and I caught like the last like 45 minutes.
Tell me I don't have a cool life. Actually, it was cool. Yeah. It makes you wish that I'm probably going to school with the prince from Denmark.
What?
Because he was the Prince of Denmark.
Yeah, but you said never mind.
Because in the movie he goes to school.
I know. But yeah, so we've already talked about this. I don't really like movies like that because like
yeah.
It just doesn't make sense that you'd be like, I want to watch a lovey-dovey movie even though I don't have anything lovey-dovey in my life. It's like, no.
Oh, okay then. What are you trying to say, huh?
Trying to say that it's dumb.
She's trying to say that I don't have any love in my life.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, like, you're obviously not engaged to a prince, and a prince does not want you to be his princess, and so what is the point of watching a movie like that?
I have had 0 love in my life, so it's okay.
I know, I don't have any love. No love for Liz.
No love for Liz. No love for Jordan.
No love for us.
No love for us at all.
We changed accents probably like 5 times. Anyways.
This is our basement. We live in the basement.
We are the basement dwellers of 222.
Because the basement dwellers of 222.
Call us the basement
dwellers. the basement dwellers. Oh, look, here's a mirror. You can see our staircase.
Oh, hey, you can.
Oh, that's Liz's guitar case. Yeah. And then if you look up into this mirror,
you can see up the stairs.
You can see up the stairs. Wait,
that has nothing to do with anything.
That's how we get upstairs.
That's how we travel to and from the basement to the middle level.
We climb upstairs.
Sometimes we crawl.
Sometimes she falls.
Sometimes I fall down the stairs. Or up them. It's possible to fall up
It's usually
the
up. Usually she's walking and she's like, and she's dying laughing. I'm like, Liz, what happened? She's like, I fell.
Yeah. Oh, that happens. That's real.
So we went to our brother's track meet last night.
Yeah, both of our brothers are seniors in high school. No, Mark's a junior.
My brother's a junior.
Sorry, her brother's a junior. My brother's a senior because he's better.
No, he was just born earlier.
But anyways, so yeah, we went and watched them run track, and it was fun.
Kind of chilly. Kind of a little windy.
Yeah, it was a little chilly. Whatever. And then today, we thought it was going to be nice, and then it wasn't.
Hey, show him your tat.
I have a tattoo.
I got a tattoo. to get really close.
What's that? Is that a class? You guys are lucky Jordan shaved her legs today.
Okay. Let's talk about this. 1, I don't have time to ever shave my legs because 1, no one ever feels my legs. 2, I'm so busy and it's like, well, you think it's going to be spring, but it's really still like winter in Illinois. So my legs are covered at all the times. So I hadn't shaved my legs in like a really, really, really long time. Like a really long time. It was a long time.
She literally looked like a lumberjack who had just come out of hibernation.
I looked like I had a man's leg.
It was a man's
like, you know,
leg.
Girls out there, you know, your leg hairs get to a point where they just start to curl and they're not even like prickly anymore because it's like,
yeah, it was soft hair on her legs.
It's so long. That's where my leg hairs are.
We've all been there.
We've all been there.
But
we went to Target today and Liz made me shave my legs, so
I told her she wasn't acceptable to leave the house.
Even though I was gonna wear pants.
Doesn't matter. People would have been like, that girl probably hasn't shaved her legs in 2 weeks, so.
No, it's more like a month.
Oh, well, maybe they would have given you the benefit of the doubt and said only 2 weeks.
Well, the good thing is my leg hairs are blonde, so I'm like, but I don't care. I don't care. Girl, please.
She does that all the time, and it is really funny when you do that. She was like, and it's just.
No, you always do. La la.
Yeah, sometimes.
Liz does this weird thing. She always goes like this. She'll just be sitting there.
It's like, okay. It's okay, we both do weird things when we get really excited. And when we're around each other, we get really excited a lot.
Okay? Like all the time.
Like all the time. So a lot of weird things happen. And there's this thing that I'll do, especially because Jordan's always like texting or something, and so I'll like...
No, I'm always Snapchatting.
Snapchat! So...
There's an SNL
I'll always
video
stop
where
talking.
I do that. I'm trying to explain why
I know,
just
it doesn't
Snapchat.
matter. If you guys watch SNL, you know why I yelled Snapchat. Anyways, so... I'll be like, hey, Jordan, let's go do this. And she'll be like, okay. And then I'll get all excited. And then she'll be sitting there on her phone, and I'll just be like, it's like, I'm like a little autistic or something.
With her tongue.
Okay, stop it. You're disgusting.
No, I'm sorry. I took it too far. That's what she does. And I usually just go like this. Which is really unflattering.
And then today we were making a bunch of faces at each other with this. And we'd be like...
You were like...
I just saw that. That's gonna be so weird. But anyways, nobody ever sees us like this. And this is how we are all the time around each other. And it's probably pretty funny.
We need to share it with the world. Because, you know, if you can't appreciate our real selves, then... You guys don't deserve us.
I think it's like if you can't take me at my worst, you can't have me at my best.
If you can't love me at my worst, you can love me at my best.
If you don't like my weirdness, then you shouldn't like me at all. I'm just gonna say that. I'm gonna throw that out there.
We're just chucking that out into the sea and hoping to reel one back in.
Okay. Anyways,
Have you guys ever seen Despicable Me? Because the minions go and then there's Despicable Me 2 coming out. Which we have to go see.
We will. We'll go see Despicable Me.
It's not gonna have like another year or so we got some time, girl. I'll show you guys my new hat I bought.
Oh gosh. Beware, it's a baseball cap.
Why? It looks good. I
told her she looks like a lesbian golfer.
No, only when I was gonna wear it today to Target and my hair was in a braid.
She had her hair in a braid, and she had that on, and then she also had a white shirt, and so it, like, you know how golfers usually, like, wear, like, all one color. I was like, well, you look like a lesbian golfer.
And then I was like, alright, well, we don't want that, so I took it off.
Yeah, nothing against lesbians, but
this
Jordan doesn't golf,
hat.
so...
No, I never golfed before. Actually, golfed in Arizona, golfed 9 holes. But it says Illinois Wesleyan on it because I go there.
IWU.
IWU. So, that's cool. That's cool
that
purchase.
happened one time.
So, yeah. So... I only have one more final.
I haven't even started taking finals yet. Wow!
Okay, sorry.
She's a little excited about things. That's okay.
Hold on.
Don't be shedding on me. Ew! That's a... Ew. You need to vacuum that up. Can't wait till my hair's long and I can pull it out of my head.
Good then. Just joking. Good then.
Yeah, my hair like doesn't shed. Oh well.
All right. So do we have anything else more to say? Because it's almost 11 minutes long, and I don't want
sucks.
I don't want people to get bored.
They're gonna get bored because we're boring.
All right. Well, then we'll end it quick.
Okay. Well, bye guys.
Bye guys. We'll see you next time.
Maybe.
Mwah.